Welcome to the best picks. The best security camera is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home or business, offering peace of mind and a vigilant eye when you can't be there yourself. In today's world, where security is paramount, having a reliable system that captures clear footage and stores it securely is no longer a luxury but a necessity. This video will dive deep into what makes a top-tier wireless security camera with hard drive storage stand out, ensuring you can make an informed decision to protect what matters most. Number 5. Firstrend Wireless Security Camera System. Keep all your recordings safe locally with the included 3 TB hard drive. You can protect your home without any hidden cloud subscription fees. Easily talk and listen through the cameras using the built-in microphone and speaker. Communicate with anyone at your property from anywhere using the app. Receive smarter notifications that accurately detect human movement. This helps filter out false triggers like pets or shadows, ensuring you get important alerts. Monitor your property day and night with clear night vision. Get instant alerts for both indoor and outdoor protection, ensuring your home is always covered. Set up your wireless system quickly with the prepared NVR. View live video, playback recordings, and manage your cameras remotely from your smartphone or computer. What we like. This system offers significant savings with no monthly fees, thanks to its 3 TB local storage. Its AI human detection ensures you only get relevant alerts. If you're looking for a comprehensive home security solution that's budget-friendly and smart, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera has a built-in hard drive for local storage, eliminating the need for cloud subscriptions. It offers high-definition video quality, ensuring clear footage day and night. The wireless connectivity is stable and easy to set up, providing reliable remote access to live feeds. Number 4. ZOSI 8CH3K Lite Security Camera System. Experience crystal clear video with our advanced compression technology. This allows for maximum storage and ultra-long recording, perfect for round-the-clock surveillance. These cameras are built with robust metal housing, making them suitable for any indoor or outdoor location. They also feature clear night vision up to 120 feet, ensuring visibility day and night. Gain peace of mind with intelligent AI that accurately detects people and vehicles. You can easily view live feeds and playback recordings on your smart devices anytime, anywhere via the ZOSI Smart app. Receive instant notifications and email alerts when human movement is detected. You can also customize detection zones to reduce unnecessary alarms. This system includes a 1 TB hard drive for continuous recording. Footage can be automatically overwritten or easily backed up via USB. Each camera is equipped with a microphone for one-way audio. This allows you to hear sounds from the camera's location. What we like. This system features advanced H.265+ technology for efficient recording and AI detection for both humans and vehicles. If you need clear, detailed footage and smart alerts that distinguish between people and cars, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera has a built-in hard drive for storage. It is a wireless security camera. Number 3. AOSU 3K5MP Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor System. Experience incredibly clear images with 3K5MP resolution, offering 40% more detail than 2K. Capture every face and license plate with precision, day or night. Eliminate blind spots with a 166 degrees ultra-wide angle lens. Advanced correction technology ensures you see more of your property, making you feel safer. Enjoy smarter security with automatic event tracking and syncing across cameras. Effortlessly review incidents from your front door to your backyard. Benefit from 60 days of video storage with the included 32 GB local storage. No hidden fees or mandatory subscriptions are required for home security. Install it anywhere without wires. With just a few hours of sunlight, it stays powered all day and night, offering true independence. Mount the camera in a sheltered spot for longevity, while the solar panel can be placed flexibly in direct sunlight for optimal charging. Get up and running in just 2 minutes. Its compact, wire-free design means no complicated wiring or technical expertise is needed. What we like. Experience incredibly clear visuals with 3K 5MP resolution and a wide 166 degrees field of view for complete coverage. Its solar-powered, wireless design offers ultimate installation flexibility. If you prioritize top-tier image quality and easy, wire-free setup, this camera system is ideal. What people say. The camera has a good picture quality and a wide field of view. The hard drive provides ample storage for recordings. Installation was straightforward and the app is user-friendly. Number 2. Hiseeu Wireless Wi-Fi Security Camera System. Experience true plug-and-play with this security camera system. It supports local viewing and control without needing Wi-Fi, and offers dual-band Wi-Fi for remote access up to 100 feet away, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Enjoy continuous, 24/7 recording thanks to the wired power for both the cameras and the NVR. Choose from 24/7 recording, motion-triggered, or customized modes for complete flexibility without battery worries. This system comes with a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, providing over 45 days of continuous local storage without any monthly fees. Its advanced compression technology ensures stable transmission even with limited bandwidth. Start with 4 high-definition cameras and an NVR, with the ability to expand up to 16 channels. These cameras are IP66 waterproof and built to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring reliable operation year-round. Benefit from advanced motion detection and AI human detection, which intelligently distinguishes people from pets or shadows. Receive alerts only for genuine threats, ensuring your peace of mind. Capture sharp details even in complete darkness with advanced night vision. The system also includes one-way audio, allowing you to listen in real time for enhanced security without drawing attention. Stay informed with live streaming and instant notifications directly to your phone via the app. You can view and playback footage anytime, anywhere, ensuring you never miss a crucial detail. What we like. This system offers robust, uninterrupted 24/7 recording with wired plug-in power and a 1 TB hard drive for massive local storage. It's also expandable up to 16 channels, making it perfect for large properties. If you need a scalable, reliable system for continuous monitoring without battery concerns, consider this option. What people say. The camera has a very clear picture quality, even at night. The hard drive provides ample storage for recordings, eliminating the need for cloud subscriptions. Installation was straightforward, and the mobile app is user-friendly for remote viewing. Number 1. EUFY Security eufyCam S304 Cam Kit. Experience crystal clear 4K resolution, day or night. Our advanced system captures even the smallest details, ensuring you don't miss a thing, even in low light conditions. Take full control of your data with secure, local storage. It comes with 16 GB built-in and can be expanded up to 16 TB, all without any monthly fees. Our intelligent AI distinguishes between family and strangers, enhancing your security. It learns over time to provide smarter protection for your home. Enjoy peace of mind with up to 180 days of wireless security on a single charge. This means less worry about recharging and more focus on what matters. Manage your security effortlessly with voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. You can also communicate clearly with two-way audio and set custom activity zones to prevent false alerts. What we like. Capture stunning 4K detail day and night, enhanced by color night vision. Its standout feature is Bionic Mind AI with facial recognition, differentiating between family and strangers. If you want advanced AI capabilities and long-lasting battery life for a truly smart home security experience, this is the system for you. What people say. The camera has excellent night vision, providing clear footage even in complete darkness. Setup was surprisingly easy, and the mobile app is intuitive and user-friendly. The hard drive offers ample storage space for continuous recording without needing to delete old footage frequently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.